Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Hodlnaut, and after that they are of course giving out some freebies and of course the ongoing promotion on Hodlnaut. So if you are not subscribed to your channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video, and let's get started. So before we continue, I would like to brief you through what's today's content. Basically we're going to talk about what is Hodlnaut in a short intro, and after that of course we are going to talk about what is the ongoing promotion slash events that they are having, and of course they have sent me some merch, and of course we are going to do an unboxing today. So we get started on basically what is Hodlnaut. Hodlnaut is a platform where you can put your cryptocurrency in, and after that from there you can earn interest in your Bitcoin, Ethereum and stablecoin. So what is stablecoin that they are accepting? Basically they are accepting DAI, USDC and US Tether, and of course the rates is very high, I would say, compared with the other competitors out there like Celsius, BlockFi, and after that Crypto Earn, and even like whatever you can think of. I would say that currently to date the known platform out there, they are offering the interest rates. I would say that on Bitcoin itself 6.2% APY is very high, and of course yeah, over here we can, yeah, on the website itself you can use the calculator and you can gauge how much you can earn by using their forecast over here, and after that whatever you deposit in, you will receive the amount in your in kind. Basically if you put in Bitcoin, you will receive Bitcoin, and of course they also have an ongoing promotion. If you use my referral link down below, you sign up, and once you deposit $1,000 in, depending on which currency you put in, if you put in Bitcoin worth $1,000, you'll receive $20 in Bitcoin totally free just by depositing $1,000 and above. And of course for the other cryptocurrencies the same, Ethereum, stablecoin, whatever it is, you put in $1,000, you receive $20 just totally free by signing up. And of course you can see that right now to date they have around 250 million assets they are holding, and they have 5,000 over users. And I would say that Hodlnaut, it is a local company based in Singapore, and of course they are also right now they are getting their license from the MAS, and they are basically doing all the needs on how to like basically get regulated and stuff like this, so they are following the rules in Singapore, and of course hopefully that they get their license and get regulated. So if yeah, over here the token swap itself, I would say that it's not really the features in the Hodlnaut right now because of some regulation issues, so they have to take it out. And for the fixed term loan, if you, let's say you are a whale, I would say, or let's say you have some cryptocurrency that you want to take a loan from, yeah, basically you need to deposit over 100 Bitcoin and above. So basically if you have 100 Bitcoin, you are basically called a whale. So yeah, if you have that, you can take some loan with them as well. So on their platform itself, it's very simple to use. Just sign up, and after that from there deposit your funds and just wait, and every week you will receive your payout, and it is compounded as well. So we are going to talk about this giveaway currently. So on Hodlnaut itself, they are running events on their Instagram. So where can you find their Instagram? I'm gonna link it down below, so if you want you can follow me on Instagram as well. So on their Instagram itself, you can see on this post, starting on the 28th of June 2021, we will be giving away $50 in Bitcoin to one winner on Instagram every day. Basically you heard that, every day. So this promotion is gonna run for 60 days, and after that from there we can calculate how much worth of Bitcoin that they are issuing. So over here I have my calculator, so we're gonna take 50 times 60. So every day they are going to give out $50 for 60 days. So this ongoing promotion is going to cost them $3,000, and after that, to be honest, you might feel that it's not much, but to be honest, if let's say you receive this $50 in Bitcoin, and of course you are the lucky winner, hopefully, and from there if you hold a Bitcoin that they issued to you for totally free on their platform itself, you are compounding your interest. You're putting in $50, and after that from there you are earning an interest of 6%, and of course 6.2 if you are not going to withdraw. And basically this free money that you earn from them, you can eventually compound it and earn even more Bitcoin. And let's say the $50 in Bitcoin is worth like maybe 0.002 or something like this, and after eventually at the end of like, if you manage to hold it for like a year or so, you are basically getting like maybe 0.003 for example. And after that, if let's say the price of Bitcoin goes to 100,000 or even $1 million, your $50 does not worth $50 anymore. So this is a free chance for you to earn Bitcoin daily. I mean, like, if you win, if you win the giveaway, you are getting $50, and of course within these 60 days you can keep trying. And after that from there, just comment on their post itself, and you can see that they have already posted some winners on their Instagram. So it's a story, so I'll click on it and we will load the the picture. So over here you can see this is the first day winner, and over here yeah, basically over here this is the day 2 winner. And of course basically what you need to do is very simple, just follow their Instagram, and from there you can win up to $50 in crypto. And over here you can see how do we want to win. Basically on this post itself, this is the latest post and you can join it right now. So over here, how do you do it? Very simple. One of the lucky commenter will basically will walk away $50 in Bitcoin. First of all, you need to follow their Instagram page, which is hodlnaut.com, and after that you have to like this post, and of course watch the GIF, and after that you have to fill in the blanks and tag a friend. So how does this work? So over here we offer, basically the answer is 6.2% APY on Bitcoin, and after that paid weekly into your Hodlnaut wallets. So this is very simple giveaway to take part, and after that from there you can basically comment, and after that hopefully you will win. So good luck to all of you. I also hope I could win, so I've already done my comment as well. So so right now we are gonna do the unboxing. So over here you can see that Hodlnaut has sent me some merchants over here from them, and after that delivered to my house. So this is my address. I mean, like, this is not my address, this is my name. And after that from there you can see the note asking my wife not to open, because on the note itself I told the guy, my friend on Hodlnaut, they have to classify that this is from Hodlnaut so I can know it, and after that nobody in the family will open it. So right now we are going to do the unboxing together. Let's see what they are giving, and after that from there, you can see it's a notebook, and after that it has their brand. So here we can do the unboxing together. So over here, this is a very cool notebook, and I would say it's very useful for me to record down whatever daily stuff I need to. And after that it has the brand Hodlnaut over here, and after that you can see Bitcoin. So basically they have already done this thing very cool, saying that Bitcoin in 2011 was only 30 cents, and after that for Bitcoin in 2021 the highest it went was 60,000. And after that I would say that this is very cool, a very cool notebook. So we can open up and look at the notebook itself. So here you can see this, the material wise I would say is very cool, very nice to touch. And after that we can open up and look at the inside. So over here in the inside itself, it is very plain, and I would say that it is very cool for me to write down my notes if needed. So it's inside, it is quite plain. And after that on the outside itself, the cover page itself is quite solid, so you can hear it. And after that I'm very happy for this free merch from them. And of course this is the bookmark that they have done. So if let's say they are selling their merch in the future or whatsoever, I will definitely make a video, and after that from there, for you guys who are interested, you can hopefully buy their merch if they are selling it. So that's the end of the video, and of course I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and of course share it with your friends and family. And of course I wish you good luck to win the $50 daily on their giveaway, and after that see you on the next one. Peace.